Hi, my name is Jean and this is my channel Learn with Jean. In today's video, I'm really excited to share with you Descript's latest AI stock voices and AI avatars feature. This is great if you are looking to do content creation and or social media influencer type posts and content or podcasts, but you're not ready to show your face on camera and you're not ready to use your voice because you want to get more vocal coaching or you're just not comfortable speaking into a microphone, then this is the right direction for you. This is great because if you have never taken advantage of AI, the improvements and the changes has gotten so much better. I started using AI stock voices a few years ago in Descript, and while it was helpful to test them out and to try them out, ultimately I found that the voices lacked a lot of variability in tone, in personality, and were too robotic. And so AI has really come a long way since then. You'll really like the new AI stock voices and AI avatars because when you put them together, you can really start creating powerful content. You can do presentations, you can do lectures, you can do recordings, so much more. If you don't want to use the avatars, but you just want to use the stock voices, that's an option too. There's so many ways that you can take advantage of this, and I'm here to show you the benefits and the advantages of using the AI stock voice and AI avatar. The other thing I want to mention is that with AI avatar, you can choose from a wide range of personas, personalities, age groups, and skin tones to sort of reflect what's closest to the personality you're trying to put out in your content. And so in this walkthrough, I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can create your own project using an avatar and the stock voice and what you might be able to do with it, have fun with it, be creative. And if you don't want to use the AI stock voices, but you just want to use the AI avatar because you don't want to show yourself on camera, you don't want people to know who your real identity is, then that is the beauty of these avatars. I'm going to show you how fun, how easy, and simple it is to get started. So let's get started. If you're looking to get started with Descript and use the AI stock voices or the AI avatars, there are a few ways that you can do it. First of all, open your Descript application, go into Home, and you'll see that it is one of the most popular features. So they've already highlighted that ways that you can get started right away. So you can use the stock voices if you click on Create with AI Speaker, and if you're looking to use the AI avatar, you can use this text AI video. In addition to the Create with AI Speaker or text AI video, you can also click on New Project and click on Video Project. And this is where you can get started using AI voice and AI avatars. And then you can see Create with AI Speaker. You can select from different voices. There's a lot of variety in terms of personas, in terms of older, younger, creator type, soothing, masculine, corporate type voice. And then you can go to Assign Avatar. So let's just choose Elizabeth for fun. And so we'll choose Elizabeth. And then you can choose from a wide range of avatars that represent age, skin tone, personas. And if you don't like any of those avatars, you can go ahead and upload your photo. Now, once you upload your photo, you consent to Descript using your face and collecting your face scan to create an avatar. I have tried this. I didn't really like it, but I'll show you what it looks like. I'll click here to browse and then drag and drop and then look for a headshot and then click open, and then I can assign an avatar to myself and they will generate the avatar based on my headshot. Now I do think some of the choices that they have is really good, and then what I'm going to do here is start creating some script. I can just say, hi, my name is Jean, and just for that purposes, and once I'm done writing, I'll click on done writing because I don't want to spend too much time on the actual generation of speech. And then once I'm good with that, what I can do is I'll need to click on generate avatar. This allows Descript to generate an avatar based on my face scan. And so I'm on the hobbyist plan, so there is a limit of 5 minutes, but you can click on this and then it'll take some time. And then this is what you'll play this project to get a sense.
Hi, my name is John.
So then I would have to change this so that they know that this is pronounced Jean. AI voice isn't quite precise. They think Jean is pronounced John, but maybe because Elizabeth doesn't understand the difference, and that's okay. It's a good exploration of AI voice. That is an overview and tutorial on how you can use AI stock voice and AI avatar in Descript. Let me know if you're going to try this out, if you're going to use this in your content creation or online course, and how I can help you with more tutorials. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon.